Okay, so here's my world tonight. I've been working on the front fender, getting the method of attachment done. So there's a plate on the other side of these two screws, which is on the inside of the body, which will be down like right behind the windshield. But that plate is glassed in, it's aluminum plate. And so these two screws screw into it. And so that way it'll be attached there. It's already ready, accessible as soon as you move the tire out the way. This is a clamshell design, and the mechanism is still here, actually, right behind this fiberglass. I got to hurry up and cut this out so this video will be short. But all I got to do is put the aluminum. I have a 90-degree aluminum piece that's going to sit right here at the top. I'm going to glass it to the fender itself with a stud in it. So that way all I got to do is drop it in there. Clamps and locks here. There's a guide back there too, so I'll just cut a hole in the aluminum so that way it sits down over it. So this whole area just sits down, locks in. It'll be attached there. This wooden piece right here is going to be replaced with aluminum. So obviously it'll be attached here, and then that aluminum plate is going to be attached to the chassis. I'm also going to have another aluminum plate with a rod that runs from this side to the other side. Damn, that's in the way. Well, there's going to be a rod that's going to have a plate right here in front of the wheel, between the wheel and the headlights. So one, it'll support the headlight assembly, and then also be a support too for the overall fender. So got to engineer that. So it'll have support in the front, in the center, and then the rear. So we're already nice and solid with this thing. Can almost sit on it now, but it'll be really, really nice and hard. Because of that reason, this is going to be a separate piece down here at the bottom for this fin. I'm going to make an incision here so that way you can't see it. And so this right here will come out. Probably put a couple bolts on this side. A couple bolts, or one, don't need to. One right there underneath the door. And then that flows into the side skirt. Side skirt's already done. I just have to drill my holes in the plate that I've already glassed in right there. It's all nice and even now. And that's it. So this audit was done today. Just got to figure out everything that I did do today and duplicate it on the other side and get it all nice and done. So the next step too is to get the wheels aligned, so that way I can make sure that the height for the rear quarter is done. What else we got going on? Oh, my dash. So I spent time doing my dash, so that way when I finish doing the plate on the other side, you know, my dash is all nice and done now. So you guys know everything works. This is for the, I guess it got a little bit wet from the primer, but anyway, that's for the electronic crossover. So that'll have a slot right here. I'm gonna cover that up on the inside, so that way I'll have a little cavity for registration or whatever in there. AC unit, radio down at the bottom. Got my cup holders. I'm so proud of my cup holders. Don't worry, they come all the way out, babe. I'm proud of that. That was a lot of work, because I did this twice actually. So